In episode 2 and 3, I showcased how you can use Goaddon to create apps for online shops yourself. But to demonstrate how instead we can build your app, I'll use my existing Goaddon user to start a new project called OneCheckout. As usual, the project needs a database, but since I would like to have dedicated infrastructure for this project, I will need to register a payment card. Once that's been taken care of, I can create a dedicated database in a cluster of 3 servers. Our dedicated MongoDB database clusters need about 5 to 10 minutes to be provisioned and booted up. When it comes to add-ons, I will still need GoFetch for this project, but instead of GoExplore, I will rely on the Go2us add-on to host a website that resembles the one from my previous episodes. Like last time, I won't subscribe to the add-ons individually. I will use a shortcut instead. Confirming will subscribe my new project to both add-ons and redirect me to the shortcut. I now have an option to choose which contractor should be entrusted with the task of building my app. Different contractors will have different skills and pricing. Some, for instance, may be great at creating mobile apps. Others may be even more specialized, but I will choose the Goaddon team and ask them to deploy their pre-built Ruby on Rails app. Next, we need to register a domain. This website facing merchants should be located at checkin.onecheckout.network. And then I'll reserve the www domain for a later consumer-facing website. Since we've previously covered DNS in episode 2, I have created the necessary records for this project off-screen. I can now choose which e-commerce platforms my app should be compatible with, but let's just move ahead and apply the shortcut. There is no formal process on how to communicate with your chosen contractor. You can Skype, Zoom, tweet at them, up to you. But let me show you the pre-built Ruby on Rails app that was deployed by the Goaddon contractor, this one shown without any modifications. It looks similar to the website hosted by GoExplore, but under the hood, it's a Ruby on Rails app running on dedicated servers, which means it can go in any direction from here. Let's register an online shop on this new app so they can start taking advantage of its offerings. This shop is powered by PrestaShop, which requires me to download a zip file, like it was the case with WooCommerce in episode 2. I'm running out of demo shops with great domain names, so this is one of our test shops. We'll navigate to the modules section, find the zip file on my desktop, and upload it. After a successful installation, the merchant can push a registration button that will redirect them back to the OneCheckout website. Before the merchant can approve the integration, they need to sign up. I'll register the website of the test shop and the email address of the merchant, in this case my own. My inbox will receive a confirmation token that I'll copy off screen and paste in here. Once I've chosen a password and saved it, I can review the integration options and finally approve the integration. Once the usual data has been collected, the merchant can browse around and see it for themselves. So in essence an app similar to the previous ones, but had you chosen another contractor with another offering, it could have been something different, like for example a mobile app. The integrations you can offer through the GoFetch interface are good for more than just the data exchange. They also enables you to add code to the front end of a shop, like seen here. The PrestaShop module has added an additional checkout button that allows a customer to bypass the normal checkout flow. First time they would need to register their address, but subsequently they can reuse it on all websites that enables OneCheckout. The payment process bypasses traditional providers and integrates with various crypto wallets instead. Here, the front-end script makes a request to an open API that my contractor, which in this case is Goaddon, has built into the OneCheckout app. The app then uses the GoFetch shop API to actually create the order in the shop, but in a pending status. Once the consumer has signed a transaction, the script will ask the One Checkout app to verify it on-chain. And once verified, the app will change the order status through the Shop API and finally confirm back to the script. As always, we don't need to visit the shop to review the order. We can find it in the One Checkout app. The order was created through the GoFetch Shop API with One Checkout as payment method. Initially, it was awaiting on-chain payment, but was then cleared for further processing when the transaction was confirmed. As you've seen, this app has been using the GoFetch Shop API quite extensively, and the Shop API is the subject of the next episode, episode 5.